DOS Trader Tutorials brought to you by Bear Bull Traders. In this DOS tutorial, you will learn how to transfer price levels between charts of the same stock through a special setting called Default Global Trendline. Open up your DOS Trader Pro, and whatever stock you're looking at, you might have multiple charts for that stock looking at different time frames. So let's say if I'm looking at the weekly chart and I notice here's a doji and I want to click on the open close area and I want to mark that. I want to right click it. I want to add a trend line. I'm going to do a horizontal trend line. I'm going to select right there. And I can see now I see a big line on my weekly chart. Great. But as you can see on my daily and my 60-minute chart, I don't know where that level is, and I'd have to kind of eyeball it, look at the price, and mark it in multiple times, but not anymore. Right click on any of the charts. Let's just do this one. Hover over configure and click. In the bottom left-hand section where it says chart global settings, click on default global trendline and select OK. Now watch what happens if we remove this line. So now let's do the same thing. Right click on the chart, go to trend line, select horizontal line or any line you want. Find the area you want. I'm going to do right there at $80.02. Now watch all the charts. Now we can see that price level on any chart we choose. And we can go to a different chart. You can see I still have this green line on the 15-minute chart, on the 5-minute chart. So now one other quick tip is right click on any chart, click on configure again. Now if you select auto load save global trend lines, if you close your DOS with those trend lines still saved, next time you open it, those trend lines, those horizontal lines, any lines you put on will still be there. So if you're marking up price levels and want to see them later in the day or the next day and have them saved, make sure that is selected. Thank you for watching. Please ask in the YouTube comments if you have any questions at all in our forum or our chat room. Have a great day.